What up, YouTube? Like, comment, share, subscribe. Today, I'm about to get some exercise in off this bench. I'm about to do 10 backflips. Let's go. I haven't done this in a while, so if I break my neck, call 911. One. Two. I don't know if I'm gonna do 10, but I can do 5 at least. But that hurt. Get the other straight angle. You get both angles, get the other straight angle. Because on YouTube it look better. Thank you. Whee! I'm gonna do 4, I ain't doing 10. I mean 5, I ain't doing 10. Cause that hurt. Woo! A lot. My brain told me 10, but my body said 5. Ah, see, I'm getting lower and lower, guys. I'm telling you I would have broke my neck. All right. One more. Try to get a good one. Ah! Like, comment, share, subscribe.